What is up, party people? Welcome to Fairfield, Iowa. It has been nicknamed Sili-CORN Valley due to the abundance of startup companies and because it's one of Iowa's economic superstars. It's also home to the Maharishi University of Management, which is known as the world's largest training center for transcendental meditation technique. Fairfield also strives to be a virtual template for sustainable communities everywhere, with its green strategic plan covering everything from conservation, local farms, local food, alternative transportation, and bike paths and trails. The city was named by Smithsonian Magazine as one of the 20 best small towns to visit in 2013. Tonight, Brenna Wall went on for the role of Sherry again. He replayed the Fairfield Arts and Convention Center's Stephen Sondheim Theatre. The building opened in 2007 and cost $6 million to build. It consists of a business pavilion, meeting rooms, an executive conference suite, art gallery, a commercial kitchen, an outdoor plaza, and the 522-seat Stephen Sondheim Theatre where we play tonight. It was cool to check out this little town, and I hope to come back sometime in the summer to experience all the green initiatives when there's green to be seen. Next stop, Springfield, Illinois. Thanks so much for coming out. Chase your dreams, and cheers.
Happy birthday, dear Felicia.